Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Cash App card disabled. I'll show you two different methods. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. So if you have got Cash App card, you need to click the card icon on the bottom, and right here on this page, you will see an option that unlocks your card, guys. So you can unlock your card from this page. But if you don't have this option, you can do another thing. You can click the profile icon, scroll down until you will see your support, click the support. Then you need to search for example, card disabled. And from here you need to find some relevant articles. I don't think that there will be some, so you need to scroll down and click chat to contact Cash App support directly. So you need to explain your issue, that your card is disabled and you want to unlock it. So you need to explain everything. You need to verify your identity and they will answer you. From my experience, in 1 or 2 days you will get the answer and they will assist you to solve this problem. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.